Hi, my name is Janet. Adding value to agriculture products is a great way to increase their shelf life and as well earn more income. In this step-by-step video, Linda teaches us the process to follow when adding value to groundnuts. Look at our farmers today. After harvesting everything, they just go on selling. It inspired me to do value addition. I started my business in lockdown after staying home for a long time without a job. I got a capital of 100,000 from my sister and I started my business. Our products include roasted nuts, roasted sim, peanut butter. My products are purely organic without any additive in it. Groundnuts have a lot of healthy benefits, and these include abundant proteins, minerals like calcium, phosphorus. This helps in the growth for both adults and children. Adding value to groundnuts and sim, these are the steps you follow. 1, sourcing the products from the market. You can buy it direct from farmers. You have to get dry seeds. One that is dry is crunchy when you bite it. Get seeds that are whole, seeds that are free from pests and other damages. You have to get seeds that are bigger in size. Good practices for storing groundnuts include, first of all, the environment where the groundnuts are should be clean. It should be free from moisture. You do the sorting. When you're sorting, you remove the stones, the spoiled seeds. Then after you grade. So grinding, a half a kilo of groundnut for peanut butter costs 300 shillings. Every area has a grinding mill, for example in market, so you can easily locate these grinding mills. After grinding, you just leave your product or the peanut butter to cool for an hour. Because the peanut butter is really very, very hot, you make sure you've washed your packaging material. After packaging your material very well, you add on the stickers. A good label should have a brand name, the quantity. It should also have the nutritional information. It reaches a time and the prices of these products are really very expensive. So what I'm resorting to is to grow my groundnut myself. Some of the strategies that I use for my products to stand out, one is my packaging materials and my labels. The letters can easily be read. I started my business without branding, but after some time, after the market research, after getting mentors, I've kept on moving forward each and every day.
Thank you for joining us on this learning adventure. We hope that you now know how to add value to Groundnuts and are ready to get started. We eagerly wait to see your first products. Bye!